Hi friends, this is Barbara and we're back with another crockpot meal. Inside of this pot I have 1 pound of ground turkey. You could use ground hamburger, your choice. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with some just traditional pasta sauce. What we're making is a pasta sauce. Okay, then we're going to go in with classic Alfredo sauce. Just pour that all in there. I'm really loving the combination of the Alfredo sauce with the spaghetti sauce, with the pasta sauce. Same thing. I think it's the same thing. What do you think? Do you think it's different or? Okay, and then, yep, that's what we're going to do. We're going to stir it. You know, don't freak out about not cooking that turkey. This is what this is going to do for you, okay? This is going to cook the turkey. This is all going to marry together, okay? This is what this thing does. It cooks. Okay, so go ahead and just stir this up. This is all going to be a sauce when it gets done. All right, and then you're going to turn, you could turn it on high for hours, or you can go ahead and turn it to low 6 to 8 hours, your choice. I don't think I'm going to put any seasoning in this, and here's why. I used Italian ground turkey, okay? So be mindful. Let's say you're going to do the beef, throw some Italian seasoning in there, however much you like, okay? I would probably do a tablespoon, but, everybody's taste buds are different. And it's your kitchen, by the way. You could do what you want. Okay, so I'm going to cook mine on low because I have to go back to work and come back. And I'm going to have that kind of time. So pop your lid on, and I'll be right back. Okay, friends, here we are. The pasta sauce is done. And remember, this is 1 pound of Italian ground turkey, 1 jar of Alfredo, 1 jar of pasta sauce. I am using this spiral noodle. Use any kind of pasta you want. I'm going to throw it all in there. And just get that all mixed up in that sauce. And this is pretty easy. Just what, like 4 ingredients? Okay, and that is hot. So what I am going to do, I'm just going to serve it with a bun on the side. I had buttered some little buns here, threw them in the oven, and I'm gonna serve that just like that, just simple. With this though, I did spread some butter on there and then sprinkled it with garlic powder. So we got some garlic bread going on there. So let me know if you have made this before. And please give me a thumbs up. If you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Okay, guys, keep on cooking. Love yous.